I hope you like this template pack. If you want to add your text, it's very simple. Double click the text editor layer. Then again double click the title edit 01 layer. Now you can easily change the text. Select the text layer, double click the text on a screen and type next superhero name. Good. In this template pack, I am providing you some extra VFX assets such as spark, freezing screen, Doctor Strange portal and many more. And I am also give you the superhero fonts download links. It's 100% free. If you want to use these assets, simple import and drag on the top of the layer. Press Ctrl Alt F for fit the screen and change the blending mode normal into screen mode. Press 0 key for ramp preview. You can also add the logo in this template. For example, import a logo. Make sure your logo must be PNG format, means transparent. In this template, I first add the logo, then after 2 minutes text is animating. See the preview. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like it, share this tutorial and subscribe to VFX 101 and must press the bell icon. Thank you.